Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan books on the Goodreads application, thereby finding them on this application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Go to the home page by clicking on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Now tap on the camera icon that you can find at the top of the screen in that search box. So click on it. And now direct your phone to that QR code. And then, as you can see, you have already found the relevant book. So here you can find the cover of it. And you can read about the plot and the book details here, and also read some of the reviews if you are interested. You can add it to your reading book, or to your one of your shelves, to the My Books section, if you want to read that particular book. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.